Hi, everyone. The cash secured put strategy is a great strategy where you want to buy a stock or a group of stocks, but you want to buy them on sale. Maybe you like the stock and you feel it has moved up too high and you're waiting for a pullback. Or maybe you feel the stock is beaten down and it's ready to turn around. In either case, you're bullish on the stock in the long term and you want to take in a credit by selling a put. And the good news is, no matter what happens, you should be okay with the result if you really and truly were looking to buy the stock. Where people go wrong is they put on too large a size position and they say they wouldn't mind owning the stock. And then if the stock price starts to go down against them, they're there in a panic. But if you're really doing a cash secured put strategy, if the price goes up, you're going to keep the credit. If the price stays the same, you're going to keep the credit. And if the price goes down, you may be assigned the stock. And remember, that's what you were looking for anyway. And just to make mention, there's also a naked put strategy, which is really the same thing except for the mentality of the trade. Oftentimes, when people put on a naked put strategy, they're selling a put or a group of puts, and they feel that the stock's going up, and they feel so strongly about it that they would just want to take in a large credit. Where that gets into trouble is they'll put on a very large size position, figuring if the price goes up, they make the money. If the price stays the same, they make the money. But if the price goes down, they're looking to roll the position out either by time or by strike price and maybe take in a little more credit, but they're just riding the trade until they can get out of it for a profit. But they really don't want the stock. And oftentimes with the naked put strategy, people intentionally put on a larger size position, much more than they would want to be if they were put the stock. So if the market moves down in a big way, this trade can really put people in trouble and cause some account blowouts. So the good news is for the cash secured put strategy, you should be happy with any of the three results that you get. And as a trader, especially a new trader, how much better than that can it be? So in the next video, let's take a look at some charts of a few stocks and see what we may be looking for as we analyze which stocks maybe we'd like to own. So we'll take a look in the next video.